Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. So in this video we will unbox the Sparx Neo 7, and this is a new budget phone from Sparx, which is a new brand that was entered in the Pakistan market recently, and this phone is costing around 31,500 PKR in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have a 3 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage, and the processor on this phone is the Helio G25. Also on the back we have a 13 megapixel main camera on the back with a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Also we have 5000 mAh battery size, and the design language of the Neo 7 is very similar to the iPhone 13 Pro Max according to this. And on the side we have a 4G. On the back we have some more specification about the device. So this phone has a 6.5 inch Cosmos water drop display. We also have a fingerprint scanner. This phone is running on Android 12, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So now let's quickly unbox the Sparx Neo 7. Let's see what is Sparx has to offer in this phone. So first let me remove the plastic like this, and on the back we have two seals. Now let's remove the plastic, as you can see, and the box quality feels really nice. So now let's open the box. So on the top we have our device, Sparx Neo 7. So now let's out the phone from this plastic again, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Sparx Neo 7, as you can see. Now let's remove that, and now let's quickly boot this device up, and Sparx logo is here. Also we have a screen protector. We are getting a mini box, so we have nothing, as you can see. I don't know why. So here is our hand free. Let's see the hand free. As you can see right there, here is our charger. Now let's open that, and now let's see the charger. We have any fast charging or not. So guys, and this is a 5 volt with a 2 ampere guys, and this is a 10 watt normal adapter. No fast charging with this phone. And right there we have our cable, and below there we have a SIM ejection tool and a user manual, as well as the verification code. And the unboxing experience, I would say it is really decent. I don't like this plastic, and this is a micro USB cable, so which is a really disappointing. We should get a type C with this phone. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Sparx Neo 7. So guys, here is the Sparx Neo 7. So now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So we have a speaker, micro USB, very disappointing, main microphone, headphone jack. So on this side we have our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. We should see a triple slot. Yes, so you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. So on the top it does not have any noise cancellation microphone, volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. On the back we have a triple cameras on the back, as you can see on the box, and the camera layout it is much bigger. We have a 13 megapixel main camera with a fingerprint scanner on the back. Overall I really like this blue color on the Sparx Neo 7, looks really nice. So now let's look at the display. So this phone has a 6.5 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display, of course with 60 Hz refresh rate. Also on the top we have water drop notch. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here's the first boot of the Sparx Neo 7. And guys, and the first impression about the display. So the colors looks, I would say, really nice. So this phone has a stock like software, which is a really good thing. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. So guys, this phone is taking a lot of time, and the Helio G25 is very slow on this phone. So this phone is running on Android 12. So he has 64 GB of internal storage out of 52.98 GB. It is available for you guys. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. So now let's look at the camera. So here's the camera UI looks like. We have a 13 megapixel main camera. The cameras looks okay, nothing special about the camera. So let's see video recording size. Back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. AR sticker, beauty mode, bokeh mode, night mode also available. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has 5 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera, it is, I would say, really decent, not the best in this price range. So the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. So now let's look at the fingerprint scanner. In the fingerprint scanner, it is not the fastest. This phone has 5000 mAh battery size with Helio G25 SoC and a 720p IPS LCD display. This phone which should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life without any problem. Also, we have a 10 watt normal charging. I definitely recommend to you guys look at this Spark Neo 7 if you want a smartphone in this price range. Yes, in this price range we have much better options over the Spark Neo 7 in every categories. But anyways, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.